the project is guided by a resource-efficient approach, where materials are left exposed. This gives the flat an industrial and authentic aesthetic while using less materials. My name is Taïna Pichon. I'm an architect in Paris, specializing in interior renovations.
My name is Mathieu Durbec. I'm also an architect.
We worked together to renovate this flat.
The flat is located in the 19th arrondissement of Paris. The neighbourhood is one of the highest points in Paris, perched at an altitude of 128 meters. This neighbourhood is one of the liveliest places in Paris with popular and cosmopolitan identity. The building dates back to the 1970s. It is very tall with 13 floors, which is higher than the average for Paris.
The flat we renovated is located on the 12th floor. Before the renovation, the flat was in good condition, but a lot of the walls, floors and hardware were dated. The closed kitchen was narrow and difficult to have more than one person cooking at a time. All the spaces were separated by walls. A long, narrow corridor with some built-in storage connected all of the rooms. With the client's brief, we decided to completely redesign the layout of the apartment. We removed the wall dividing the kitchen and the living areas and added a kitchen island that also doubles as seating for the dining area. The toilet room was expanded so we could add a new laundry, which was not in the flat before. The kitchen, living and dining areas all share a large open space. We were able to repurpose the corridor to create a volume that functions as storage for the entrance and a home office. Lastly, the bathroom was refreshed and the wardrobe was added in the bedroom.
Let's play a game. It's hot here, in all the right ways. A little crazy, again, in all the right ways, but also sleek and sophisticated at the same time. And here, people know how to do small footprint living better than anyone. Have you got it yet? Check out how designers Hunwai and Olivia Lee transformed their Zen speak-easy apartment with stylish and clever camping gear. Get inspired by a brand of design that's unburdened by legacy and carving out its own language and identity. Take a tour of 3 very different apartments, one on wheels, one that conjures a balcony out of thin air, and another that embraces all of its awkward angles. And salivate over some comfortable furniture inspired by sugary sweet treats. Learn what fruitful living looks like for Des Chu and his team at 3D Concept Work. Marvel at the mystic world of wolf sloth. And while you're at it, take a trip to hell. Singapore, you saucy minx, you've got it all. Subscribe now to get yours with free worldwide shipping.
The entrance was designed as a functional cocooning vestibule. From the moment you arrive, the black wood structures the space and creates a warm atmosphere. A recessed niche with a bench provides a comfortable place to put on and take off shoes with integrated storage for footwear. It features a large built-in wardrobe complemented by discrete hooks behind the door. The wood and glass volume is the key structuring element of the project. It is composed of fixed panels and operable openings, allowing access either to the office space or to the bar area.
It is made from locally sourced maritime pine and glass. We use a serrating process to add the paint to the wood grains, leaving other parts in its natural color.
We wanted a masculine, elegant and refined shade and conducted many tests and discussed it with our clients.
It is a striking design which has become the defining feature of the flat. The living room has been kept in the original location. It has been opened up to improve the flow and benefits from natural light from the large sliding glass doors. The original hardwood flooring has been preserved and reflects the character of the building and the flats, while adding warmth to the overall design. And we added an industrial-looking neon light. Its design complements the exposed concrete beam.
The balcony naturally extends the living space. Our clients have a small table and chair where they can enjoy their coffee in the morning.
The office is located in the multifunctional space behind the glass partition. We also designed a generous building desk in the same wood as the surrounding walls. This provides a comfortable and spacious area when working from home. The two owners are avid readers, so we designed a large library to accommodate their entire collection. It can easily be converted into a guest bedroom without encroaching on the main living areas. A large built-in wardrobe was added to provide additional storage for all of their clothes.
The kitchen was opened up to the living room to better connect it with the main living spaces. For cost efficiency reasons, we opt for an all-white IKEA kitchen, creating a contrast with the black tones used in the entrance and the office. The kitchen is fully equipped with an oven, a microwave, integrated fridge and an induction stovetop. The beige tiles are from an historical French maker that has been making tiles for over 100 years. They were chosen for the floor, worktop and backsplash, in keeping with the 1970s inspired aesthetic. At the end of the kitchen, there is a large window that can open up to give direct access to the balcony. We added a new counter to provide extra space when needed, as well as to link the kitchen and dining areas. In an effort to optimize space, the other side of the counter serves as a seating for the dining table. The seat can open up and provides a large storage area for everyday items. Around the counter, a built-in bookshelf has been integrated. Its dimensions echo those of the existing concrete beam in the living room, while also providing additional storage for books and plants.
The bedroom is at the back of the flat. It did not originally have any storage, so we added a built-in IKEA wardrobe with a mirror facade. The mirror was chosen to reflect natural light and the outdoor view while enhancing the sense of space. The bedroom also has a large window that opens onto the balcony.
In a space-optimizing approach, access to the bathroom is through a sliding pocket door, helping to free up space and enlarge the room. The sink has been replaced, while the bathtub and the original soap dish have been preserved. Storage has also been added under the vanity unit. The bathroom features porcelain stoneware from the same French maker as the tiles in the kitchen, but in a different color. The toilet room has been extended to include a new laundry. We added lots of extra storage above the toilets and the washing machine. This area is lit through a translucent fluted glass, ensuring privacy. The wall was painted in a vivid red. It adds depth and creates an interesting play of silhouettes, which you can see through the fluted glass.
Our vision for small space design is to achieve the right balance between respecting the existing context, optimizing functionality, and enhancing materiality.
The renovation of small existing spaces is a key challenge for the sustainable city. It makes it possible to create housing without consuming new land and to enhance the value of the existing building stock. Finally, it encourages architectural innovation and the creation of compact, high-quality homes adapted to contemporary urban lifestyles.
Sign up to our newsletter for subscriber-only content and exclusive offers. Visit nevertoosmall.com/subscribe.